If I were he, I'd be careful what I ate. I'd be keeping my eye on my menu.
US President Joe Biden said that he was unsure where Wagner chief Yevgeny Prigozhin was. He joked, saying that the mercenary boss could be poisoned. He said, and I quote, "If I were he, I'd be careful what I ate. I'd be keeping my eye on my menu." Yevgeny Prigozhin has not been publicly seen since leaving the Russian city of Rostov on June 24th. Biden said that he and anybody for that matter was unsure what the future holds for Prigozhin in Russia. Biden's remarks came as details of Russian President Vladimir Putin's meeting with Wagner mercenaries emerged. Reports said that the Russian leader had offered Wagner mercenaries the opportunity to keep fighting just days after their failed mutiny, but suggested Yevgeny Prigozhin be moved aside in favor of a different commander. The Kremlin said that Vladimir Putin had held talks with Wagner commanders and Prigozhin at a meeting on June 29th, 5 days after the mutiny, where the mercenaries reaffirmed their loyalty to the Russian president. Reports revealed that Vladimir Putin said that Wagner does not exist. The Kremlin explained that the Russian president's comments saying that there was no legal entity named Wagner and that the legal status of such companies was a complicated one. Vladimir Putin then suggested several options for them to continue fighting. The Russian president said that all of them could have gathered in one place and continued to serve, and nothing would have changed for them. Putin added that they would have been led by the same person who had been their real commander all the time.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.